There you go. Is it hot? Yummy? Is yummy healthy? Hi everyone, this is Caroline. Welcome to my channel. For anyone that's new, you found me. For those who are subscribers, this is a very fun and exciting video. There was this trend out of people following YouTubers' makeup tutorials and trying to duplicate what they saw on the screen. This is my own twist to it. So I am attempting to watch and follow to the T one of my favorite YouTubers here, Dani Spies. She does recipes for YouTube channel. I will link her below. Go ahead and keep watching and see how this all turned out, bloopers and all.
Hello my friends, it's Dani, and today I am showing you
I really like her.
Make the yummiest, clean and delicious
Banana
Oatmeal Muffin cups.
Yes.
These muffin cups are super moist.
Look how good that
flavorful,
looks.
And they make a great grab-and-go breakfast
She's
or
so
a
cute.
great afternoon snack. So the first thing I do is I preheat my oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, let's do that. 50, start, preheat. Okay.
Fahrenheit, and I spray down a 12-cup muffin pan with some coconut oil spray. Now you could also coat these with a little coconut oil or butter, but the spray is definitely easier.
We have our coconut spray here, value size. This is the 12. All right. Did she do it that much? Well, I don't want mine to stick, so I'm going to do it that much. Woo. Okay. All right. What else, Dani? We're going to put this to the side.
Into a nice large bowl, I am combining 3 cups of rolled oats. You want to use
Okay. Oh, wait, what'd she say?
old-fashioned rolled oats here.
Okay. All right. So 3 cups. She said make sure we use old-fashioned oats. Trying to follow this to the T to make sure that I get the same results she gets. That's the whole point of this video. Will it turn out the way it turned out for her? So 3 cups. That's 2. 1 more. It's about, yeah. All right. What else?
2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon.
2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder right here. 2 teaspoons. I couldn't find my teaspoon, so this is a half. So that's 4, right?
Of cinnamon.
1 teaspoon only of cinnamon? I kind of like cinnamon. Teaspoon.
A pinch of fresh ground nutmeg and a half teaspoon.
Okay, we don't have fresh nutmeg. Just the dried stuff.
And a half teaspoon of kosher salt. Now,
okay, so I don't have kosher salt. I'm gonna use what I have, which is just regular sea salt. I don't think that's gonna change the recipe. So this is a half teaspoon.
Kosher salt because it has a nice coarse texture to it, and that's why you guys see me use it. About
Oh, well, sea salt has the same texture,
Go
so.
ahead and gently mix all of that together.
Gently mix it all together. So next step.
And then I'm gonna set that aside.
Set it aside.
Combine my wet ingredients.
Wet ingredients.
I'm using 1 cup of mashed banana.
Oh.
2 to 3 bananas, depending on
Okay,
the size.
I have 3.
And remember that the browner your banana, the better.
Oh, heck yeah. The brown, you guys heard her. The browner the banana, the better. So these are like totally brown. All right, so I'm gonna put those in. So she's basically.
Sweeter the banana, and I am depending on the banana to sweeten these muffin cups because we're not using any other sugars or sweeteners.
See, I
Just
like
go
that.
ahead and mash that banana up against the side of the wall.
Okay. That's what I like about this muffins because there's no more sugar added. So this is supposed to be an easy wait for me to get something into my tummy on my way out.
1/2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Now I'm using
Okay, so she said, what?
my homemade almond milk because it is so delicious.
1.5.
So much better than store-bought, but you could literally use any kind of milk that lights you up. Well, I'm gonna.
Okay, so this is what we have is lactose-free milk because my kid is lactose-free and it's unsweetened, so it's 1.5. 1.5? That seems like awfully a lot.
No, you just put 2.
I just put 2. I'm gonna pour her back in. See, this is why stuff doesn't work out. Oopsie.
Paper all together and get it well combined. And I'll take the wet ingredients and
Okay. The dry ingredients.
That's okay.
and pour them into the dry ingredients and gently mix that again until everything is incorporated.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pour.
Incorporated and comes together, and we have a nice moist batter just like this. Now,
It's
you're
gonna
better
be.
off under pouring at the beginning and then going back to add a little bit more if you need to, than having some that are really
Okay.
full and some that are really empty. The key here is that they all have generally the same amount so that they cook evenly. Then to finish them off,
I'm just gonna listen to the rest and then do it so it doesn't
with a
pause.
sprinkle of mini chocolate chips.
Okay.
I find adding them to the top is just perfect.
Okay.
If you prefer, you could certainly stir them right into the batter. And if you don't dig chocolate chips, that's totally fine. You could do blueberries, you could do raspberries, raisins, really anything.
Now it's trying to get this evenly. Did her batter look this wet? I want this to be an honest reproduction of a YouTube recipe book. Although I really like Dani Spies. 10 more minutes. They don't look like they said at all. Alrighty, let's check them out. I don't know. Oh, they smell so good. Do they look ready? They're kind of brown on the sides. In the meantime, I'm gonna boil some water for some tea. Hi everyone, so I just got it out. Okay, for appearances, y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100. So for appearances, I don't know if it's because I added too much milk, but the bottom, or maybe I haven't let it set properly because I wanna really try this out. So as you can see, it's not the most pretty muffin, but we are gonna try this out. I have my cup of tea right here, and so let's try it, guys. Just gonna tear right into it. It's definitely bouncy. And can you close it? Oh, can you close up on this, honey? Mm-hmm. So you can see all the, it's a lot of oats. This part just looks a little bit raw. Okay, let's just try it.
Oh.
Is this gonna be one of my failures again? You know, babe, it's good, but I think it's undercooked. This
What?
This thing is going back in the oven. I don't think it's cooked.
Say all of a sudden.
Honey, get her son. It's not cooked. Hey everyone, this is me. I am back. I will admit, The recipe calls to cook these muffins for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and try this, and I'm gonna let you know how long I actually cook these things. It does look prettier now. So let's just tear right into it. It's a very chewy consistency. Okay. It doesn't look as eye appealing as hers does. Actually, that still tastes really bad. You know, I'm gonna just be honest, this is really not that good. And I don't think it has to do with the actual recipe itself. The whole tray has been cooked a total of 50 minutes. And it still feels to me a little undercooked. So I'm not sure what went wrong in the recipe. I followed the recipe. I don't know what went wrong. Maybe, you know, people talk about calibrating your oven. I don't like the texture of it at all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say this was a failure. I don't like the way it turned out. I like Dani Spies a lot, and I have tried some of her other recipes, and they have turned out pretty good. So I'm quite disappointed that this didn't work out. And unfortunately, this is probably all gonna go in the trash. Well, at least you got a good and honest review. I mean, that's the one thing I would like to stick with in my channel, is that I want it to be full of integrity. And then I want to be honest. Even as much as I want things to turn out well, they just may not turn out well. So it really doesn't have to do with the recipe itself. It's my own preference. And maybe my oven needs to be calibrated. But we will try maybe this again with another recipe. All right, I hope you guys are all doing well. And let me know in the comments, seriously. I would love to know if any of you guys try this recipe. I'm linking her actual YouTube channel in the description bar. And if you try this and it turns out awesome, please, please let me know, because I'm quite disappointed that this turned out not so good. All right, good night, bye. Here I am again in my car. But okay, so this morning, yesterday when I made the muffins, I was ready to toss them. I did not like them. I did not like the texture, but I did mention that maybe they hadn't set well. So this morning, before I was gonna dump them in the garbage, I was like, let me just try it. My husband's like, don't try it. I think they're just not good. I cut it through and it was almost like a perfect muffin. And so I ate it. You know what, guys? It wouldn't be an honest review until I came back and told you. I would buy these muffins. They actually were so good. But why just take my word for it? I'm on my way to my Friday workout. I'm gonna take them to 2 of my girlfriends. I'm gonna ask them to eat it. I'm not gonna give them the background about the muffins, but I'll get their honest opinion because I think they're wonderful. He's really not an oatmeal in your muffin type person. Like, he likes oatmeal on their side as a meal itself, but I don't think he just really is digging the idea of having oatmeal in your muffins. So I have to add this to my video because I just don't think it would be honest. Like, literally, these are the type of muffins that I'd probably pick up from like Phil's Coffee, or, you know, something that's homemade but really good. But after I had my muffin, I felt so full. But I know that I needed some protein to be attached to this meal. So I still did have 1 fried egg, but I just feel like it's so filling. Please wait and let's add in the videos of my friends trying out these muffins. Okay, bye.
I like it. I was afraid it was going to be too dry.
Yeah.
It looks dry.
It looks dry.
It looks dry, but once you bite into it, it's moist. I would do more banana.
Really?
I like banana.
It's super good. It's like chocolate banana bread.
Yes. Is it good?
Yeah, I recommend it. Especially no flour, nothing like that. It's super good. Cinnamony.
Yes, I put cinnamon in there.
Oatmeal.
Yep. What do you think? Honest.
I like it.
Yeah? Is it?
No, it's really good.
Yeah?
I like it, yeah.
Okay.